wants to swim.
The boy wants to swim.
What does she want to eat?
She wants to eat a sandwich.
Where does he want to go?
He wants to go to the park.
When does she want to sleep?
She wants to sleep at night.
Why does he want to cry?
He wants to cry because he is sad.
What does it want to do?
It wants to run fast.
Who wants to dance?
The girl wants to dance.
What does he want to buy?
He wants to buy a toy.
Where does she want to live?
She wants to live in a house.
Why does he want to smile?
Because he is happy.
Why does she want to laugh?
Because she is amused.
Why does he want to play?
Because he is energetic.
Why does she want to read?
Because she is curious.
Why does he want to sing?
Because he is joyful.
Why does she want to run?
Because she is adventurous.
Why does he want to write?
Because he is creative.
Why does she want to draw?
Because she is artistic.
Why does he want to help?
Because he is kind.
Why does she want to learn?
Because she is inquisitive.
Why does he want to explore?
Because he is curious.